Hello, everyone. Good evening. Thank you so much to our amazing host for that wonderful introduction. No? So, yes, my name is Hanile Almaraz and I'm from Bacolod Market. So, yes, isa ako sa product of the product, no? Because the product gives me a second chance of life. So, ayun nga sa pag-introduce ng ating host. So, I used to work in a BPO industry for more than 10 years. And aside from that, I work as an OFW in Vietnam. So, I work there as a teacher. And isa po ako sa mga naapektuhan ng pandemic, no? So, I left no choice. Umuwi ako balik sa Pilipinas. And then, unfortunately, nagka-COVID po ako, no? So, yes, it ended up na na-hospital ako. And then, buntik nang na umabot, no, na lagyan ako ng tubig. But yes, with the help of our product, it gives me a second chance of life. Imagine for just 2 days of taking it, parang for me, no, it's just like a miracle because na-lessen yung shortness of breathing ko and then na-energize ako. And then after 4 days of taking it, parang like walang nangyari. So it starts there, no? I was very amazed with the product, which is ang sabi ko sa sarili ko, during that time na grabe yung pandemic, ang dami-daming matutulungan ng product. So without any hesitation, I share it with my friends, with my relatives, kung kani-kanino na kailangan ng product natin. And also, aside from me, no, natulungan, ang daming naitulong when it comes to specifically for my family. Aside from me, natulungan yung father ko, which is my father suffered more than 10 years na stroke, no? So, meron siyang blood clot sa utak, which is actually it leads to dementia, no? Yung makakalimutin. So, while I'm using the product, he is also using it. Pinapainom siya ng mother ko. And then actually for just like 2 weeks, no? Because what happened is we need to cross Iloilo. So we were required to have a laboratory test. And actually, we were very shocked, no, na doon nakita na yung blood clot niya sa utak is natunaw talaga. So yes, very, very powerful ng product natin. So dito sa Bacolod pa lang, no, ang dami-dami ng testimonies, ang daming natulungan when it comes to our health, no. So if iisa-isahin pa natin yon, malamang, no, aabutin tayo isang buwan or ilang araw pa tayong mag-usap-usap dito, no? So, yes, without further ado, I know every one of you is really excited to know more. So, I'm here to tell you kung ano ba ang mga ingredients ng product natin and ano yung maitutulong niya sa atin, no? So, before I start, I know you excited na kayo, no? So, kindly give me a heart reaction if excited na po kayo. All right, ayun. So, maraming nag-heart. So, everyone is really excited. So, let me introduce the star of the night. Let me just share my screen here. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. So, yes, the star of the night, let me introduce to you Black MP Living Water. So Black MP Living Water is a bottled water beverage na nanggagaling pa sa Rocky Mountains ng USA with fulvic and humic acids, probiotics, trace minerals, and electrolytes. Dahil sa pH level of 10 nito, nagiging alkaline ang tubig pag hinaluan na ng Black MP. So Black MP Living Water is the flagship product of Renown in its health and wellness division. Ang Renown ay isang international company with a new standard in direct selling, which is owned by Mr. Mel Gill, who has 30 plus years of experience in the industry. So according to studies, ang sanhi ng maraming sakit ay mineral deficiency. Sa tinagal-tagal na ng panahon at over-farming practices, ang lupa natin ngayon ay kulang na sa minerales. Ika nga, sick soil. That's why ang mga farmers ay gumagamit na ng mga artificial fertilizers at ibang pamamaraan para magparami ng mga pananim. Balikan natin, kung sick ang soil, ang mangyayari, sick din ang plants, which will eventually lead to sick people. Kahit gaano pa karami ng prutas at gulay na kakainin natin, pansin niyo ba? Nagkakasakit pa rin ang mga tao dahil kulang na talaga ang mga minerales na nakukuha ng ating katawan. That is why sa panahon ngayon, supplementation or taking supplements is a necessity. So upang tugunan ang pangangailangan ng supplementation, Black MP Living Powder is here. Black MP Living Powder is a unique powder supplement infused with fulvic and humic minerals, as well as SBO, or what we call soil-based organism, which is probiotics. Both USDA organic certified electrolytes, alkaline water with a pH of 10, vitamin B12, and essential minerals na iisa-isahin natin sa mga susunod na slides. So nakatatak sa ating produkto ang Foods for Athletes chemical-free certification na ibig sabihin ang Black MP ay isang high-quality product. Ang pinakamaganda pa, we are endorsed by the National Football League alumni after former players reported better body condition. Black MP is GMO-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, and vegan, and is 100% natural. No artificial flavors, no artificial colors, no chemicals, no preservatives, and no calories. All of these ingredients combine to make Black MP a truly refreshing drink and the perfect alternative beverage to today's carbonated soft drinks and sugary sports drinks. Lahat ng ingredients ni Black MP ay 100% organic. That's when taken together with water, creates Black MP Living Water. Black MP, M for minerals, and P for probiotics. Plus, the color is black, hence the name Black MP. So Black MP Living Powder offers you easy dosage adjustment and a longer shelf life. Madali rin inumin lalo na sa mga taong nahihirapan maglunok ng mga tabletas or capsules. Ang Black MP Living Powder din ay pwede nating ihalo sa mga smoothies or juices. When mixed with liquids, mabilis na maabsorb ng ating katawan at easily digestible ang Black MP. At magiging mas potent pa dahil di na kailangan tunawin ng ating katawan. Paano ba gamitin? Simply mix 1 scoop of Black MP with water at i-enjoy ang healthiest beverage ever. Plus, wala pa siyang aftertaste. 100% natural, no artificial flavors, no artificial colors, no chemicals, no preservatives, and no calories. So now, what do you see in the photo? These are root crops or halamang ugat. What do they have in common? They grow beneath the soil. Ayon sa pag-aaral, ang mga organically grown vegetables na tumutubo sa ilalim ng lupa ay ang mga natural source ng fulvic acid. Plants receive nutrients through the roots as fulvic acid transport minerals throughout plant cells. So now let's talk about humic and fulvic acid, which is the fountain of life. How are these formed? Saan sila nanggaling at gaano sila kaimportante sa katawan? So Black MP's minerals came from the natural process of humification. Ito ay resulta ng proseso ng pagkabulok ng mga halaman sa lupa for millions of years that forms complex substances rich in essential minerals, amino acids, electrolytes, and other beneficial compounds. Black MP includes the minerals that result from these processes of humification. At ito yung tinatawag ng mga scientists na missing link. The natural substances known as humic and fulvic used to be delivered to us through the food we eat. But because of new agricultural practices, unti-unting nababawasan ang amount ng humic at fulvic sa ating lupa at mga pagkain, kaya ito tinatawag na missing link sa ating katawan. For most of human history, we receive humic and fulvic along with minerals, vitamins, amino acids, and more when we eat plant foods. But now it is already missing. That's why it is very important to include humic and fulvic minerals plus probiotics in our diet through Black MP. So what are the benefits of Black MP? So humic minerals. Humic is a powerhouse of minerals protecting the body cells from toxins entering the system, accelerating healing processes, and disruptive oxidative stress. Inaalis niya yung mga toxins sa ating tiyan or gut bago pa ito makapasok sa mga cells kung saan ito ay nakakapagpalakas ng immune system function. Humic minerals work in the stomach, processing food and attacking foreign invaders and toxins, which aids the immune system, improving its performance against allergens, germs, bacteria, and other hazards. Ang humic minerals ay isa sa pinaka-powerful na detoxification agents. That's why Black MP is super detoxifier. So as you can see on the screen, we have example of humic benefits. So we have there reduces inflammation, enhances healing, boosts immune system function, helps the body correct cellular mutation, detoxification, heals digestive tract disorders, improves breathing, lung conditions, or asthma, and many more. No? So what about fulvic? So ano naman ang maitutulong ng fulvic acid sa katawan natin? So let's talk about fulvic minerals. So it actually aids the body by spreading through the system and correcting imbalances, metabolizing nutrients into its own structure, restoring proper function to vital processes, and recharging the electrical potential of cells. So basically, the complex compounds in fulvic acid are what's missing from our food today. So fulvic minerals makes Black MP super antioxidant and super anti-aging. So here's the example of fulvic benefits. It increases energy or energizes the cells, increases oxygen absorption, helps convert sugar into energy, provides natural electrolytes, boosts natural functions, powerful antioxidant, balances hormones, restores electrochemical balances, and many more. You can also see there helps regulate body weight. So very helpful. So what about probiotics? No? So anong maitutulong ng probiotics sa katawan natin? So probiotics are live bacteria and yeast that are good for you, especially your digestive system. Yung katawan natin is actually given na may bacteria, which is both good and bad. So probiotics are often called good or helpful bacteria because they help keep your gut healthy. Marami ng probiotics ang mabibili kung saan-saan, pero iba pa rin ang probiotics na nasa Black MP dahil ito ay 100% organic and is highly engineered by nature itself. So mga benefits ng probiotics sa katawan natin, it fights candida overgrowth and helps improve digestion, absorption of proteins, vitamins and minerals, energy, muscle development, immune system function, and overall health. And let's go to alkaline. So alkaline water is water that has a higher pH level than tap water. 7 is a neutral pH. The higher the pH level, the more alkaline or basic it is. The lower the pH level, the more acidic it is. So alkaline benefits, it counteracts free radicals, cleanses the organs, particularly the colon, lessen susceptibility to common stomach viruses, flus, and colds, rejuvenates the skin, and keep it hydrated. Also, it aids weight loss by the breakdown of fatty essentials in food and acting as an appetite suppressant. Lubricates muscles and joints to help prevent injuries. Ayan, so what about electrolytes? So actually, electrolytes are essential minerals that emit an electrical charge when dissolved in water. Sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, chloride, zinc, and phosphorus are all examples of common electrolytes. So pansin nyo, ang mga atleta, umiinom sila ng energy drink or electrolyte drink. Just like why we are endorsed by the NFL alumni and called as food for the athletes. The moment na pagpawisan tayo, we are already losing electrolytes kaya tayo napapagod. However, plain water does not contain electrolytes. That's why always have Black MP with you to recharge your body. So benefits of electrolytes, it processes essential to living and related to the functioning of the brain, heart, muscles, and nervous system. Also regulates the acidity, the pH level in the blood, hydration, enhances performance, and prevents muscle cramps. Ayun, so what about 77 plus trace minerals? So ano naman to? So the body needs many minerals. These are called essential minerals. Essential minerals are sometimes divided up into major minerals, which is the macro minerals, and trace minerals, which is we call micro minerals. To name a few of these trace minerals and their benefits are as follows. So we have chromium. Chromium is that helps insulin regulate glucose levels. Also, we have copper. It aids in the formation of bone and cartilage and helps the body use iron properly. We also have there molybdenum. Iodine is found in hormones that help regulate metabolism, growth, and development. We also have selenium, which is an antioxidant that can help protect against cell damage. Iron is also critical for the manufacture of blood and crucial in pregnancy and early childhood. We also have manganese, which is it contributes to metabolism of amino acids, cholesterol, glucose, and carbohydrates, bone formation, blood clotting, and reducing inflammation. All right, so what about vitamin B12? So actually, vitamin B12 is an essential vitamin that your body needs but cannot produce. It supports the normal function of your nerve cells. It is needed for red blood cell formation and DNA synthesis. So vitamin B12 benefits, it helps with red blood cell formation and anemia prevention. It helps prevent major birth defects, support bone health, and prevent osteoporosis. Also, it reduces your risk of muscular degeneration. It improves mood and symptoms of depression. Benefit your brain by preventing the loss of neurons. It also gives you an energy boost. Improve heart health by decreasing homocysteine and supports, of course, healthy hair, skin, and nails. All right, so very amazing. So Black MP living water is also suitable for people with these diseases. So let me just name some of the few. So we have their cancer, goiter, myoma, asthma, arthritis, diabetes, and many more problems. As you can see, bronchial, prostate, are also high cholesterol. We have their heart problem, hepatitis, allergy, hypertension, psoriasis, even poor memory, stroke, weak body, anemia, and cyst and urinary tract infection. All right, so there are a lot of diseases that our product can really help. But please take note, Black MP is a very necessary for our health. But please take note that this product is not a medicine. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any diseases. So with all these benefits enumerated, Black MP is indeed a very elite and unique product with a value of more than its suggested retail price that we can afford more than hospitalization. According to Josh Billings, health is like money. We never have a true idea of its value until we lose it. So let's take care of our health for ourselves, for our family, and for our dreams. So the choice is clear. The water is black. This is Black MP Living Water. Plus, kung naghahanap kayo ng extra income, simply recommend this product to your family and friends, and you can earn extra in dollars with us. All right, so that ends my presentation. Thank you so much. And back to our host.